What's the deal? 4:50 p.m. Wednesday, April 24th, and I have some news from Aphria. The reason I'm reading this news from Aphria because I actually hopped into Aphria. Um, I do see a pretty big opportunity in Aphria, but let me show y'all what I did. Well, I'll get into the news first, and then I'll show you what I did. Okay? So yeah. Let's do that. Aphria announces closing of 350 million convertible senior note offering. Canadian cannabis company Aphria Inc. said Tuesday evening it closed a convertible senior note offering, raising 350 million in gross proceeds, including the exercise of the over allotment option. The convertible senior notes carry a 5.25% interest and are due 2024, year 2024. The initial offering was valued at 300 million, but initial buyers also exercised their option to purchase up to an additional 50 million principal amount of notes in full. The sale of additional notes under the over allotment options is expected to settle on April 26. The interest on the notes is payable semi-annually in arrears on June 1st and December 1st. The notes can also be converted into Africa's common stock at a conversion rate of 106.5644 shares per 1,000 principal amount of notes. This translates into an initial conversion rate of $9.38 per share, which represents a conversion of approximately 20% over Aphria's stock price on the New York Stock Exchange on April 17th, which was the last reported trading day prior to the announcement of the pricing of the notes. Aphria, one of the largest cannabis companies in the world, said it plans to use the net proceeds from the offering to fund its international expansion initiatives and future acquisitions, as well as for general corporate purposes. The stock traded around $7.84 per share Wednesday afternoon. That's actually my average cost, $7.84 a share USD. So yeah, I'll show y'all what I did. Let's go into my history. And I have a deposit coming in on the 26th. Okay, so I'll start on the 24th, obviously. Right. Okay. On the 24th, I did a limit sell, one share at $3.44. That was a free share I got for referring people. Link down below if you want to get a free stock from Robinhood. I did a limit sell of CanTrust, 676 shares at $7.30. I really did think it was going to fall just a little bit, but it didn't. I then did a limit buy of Aphria, 629 shares at $7.85. Then I did a limit sell of Aphria, 629 shares at $7.87. So I sold it 2 cents higher. And then I did a limit buy of Aphria, 631 shares at $7.84. So that's my average cost, $7.84. This stock, I believe, has a lot of potential. It is 33% below its IPO price, below the IPO price in America. It has been attacked by short sellers and people are trying to bring it down, but I do believe it's about to bounce upwards. Even if it bounces upwards $2, that's over 1,300, around $1,200 profit. So I do believe I do have an opportunity here to make a bounce with Aphria, just like I did with CanTrust. Cantrust, I sold at 730. It did rise to 756. This stock moves like crazy. It could easily fall 50 cents overnight or rise 50 cents overnight. Cantrust has only 105 million outstanding shares, and market cap is 766 million. Aphria, Aphria. Aphria's market cap is 1.9 billion, and I believe they have 230 million outstanding shares. Let's check real quick. I want a good quote. Let's do this one. Finance.yahoo.com. So let's see their outstanding shares. Where is it? Okay, shares outstanding. Okay, so they have 249 million outstanding shares. Aphria does. 249 million outstanding shares. So it will move a little slower than CanTrust. Well, kind of like a lot slower basically. So what I would like to happen is CanTrust, hopefully I can get it to drop, right? And then maybe Aphria goes up a little bit, and then take out the money from Aphria and flood it back into CanTrust, because I do know, not that I know, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA or whatever you want to call it, but I do feel that this stock is about to go back up to $9. Now that they issued those that news came out about them trying to, get money together to start acquiring things or building their company more. I believe that soon Aphria, specifically Aphria is gonna go up within a week or two. So yeah, right now, yeah, like I said, I have 631 shares. Average cost $7.84. It's 99% of my portfolio. Equity value $4,921, and it was trading today at low volume. And you can see here again, this is just a little summary. Aphria announces closing of 350 million convertible senior note offering. Yeah, so they're trying to expand. I mean, they do have a little wiggle room to dilute. CanTrust has, in my opinion, has a lot of room to dilute. So I am hoping to get back into CanTrust. If CanTrust falls and this one rises, like, if I can get like a little gap going on here, I am planning to get back into CanTrust. So that's what's going on. So far I'm up 12.18% all time. Past year I'm up 15.7. Past 3 months I'm up 11.7. Past month I'm up 1.1. Past week I am up 0.75. Today I'm up 0.4, and all we're seeing is green, and that's what we want to see. We want to see green. CTST. Let's look at how these guys have been moving. Yeah, Cantrus went up 4.13%. Canopy Growth went up 1.4%. ACB went up 0.22%. MJETF, MG Alternative Harvest went up 0.26%. GWP Pharmaceuticals went down 2.7%. Tilray went up 1.2%. Zynerba went up 1.11%. Chronos went up 1.9%. Village Farms went up 10.9%. And Hexo went up 1.4%. That's it, y'all. All I do is trade pod stocks, update my trades here on YouTube, and I do read articles only to do with pod stocks mainly. And all we're trying to do is, pass the highest peak, keep on going up. We're trying to trade extremely aggressive, very risky, but very calculated. Risk brings reward, but I want to do calculated risks And I hope you subscribe. You will not be let down. At least subscribe for the crazy volatility that you're about to see. Peace out.